In 1951, CBS made something historical movement in our technology, and here is the thing. I will start by questioning what is it, and here's a question about that. In 1951, CBS made broadcasting history by televising the first ever what? Now I'll give you the answer for this question, and after that, I'll give you a bit more explanation about the answer I just give you. And here is the answer of the question. The correct answer for the question is color TV program. And here is a bit more explanation about that. In 1951, CBS made television history by transmitting the first color television program in the US. This groundbreaking broadcast took place on June 25, 1951, blowing CBS built sequential color system and signifying a significant technological advancement in the realm of television, despite the system's lack of compatibility with the majority of black and white TV sets, hindering its commercial viability. It marked the inaugural occasion when American audiences could enjoy scheduled programming in color. So that's correct answer for the question. Color TV program, that's the answer for the question. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.